Hi, this is Kevin Brown with your 2 Minute Tuesday. Can you trust the weather app on your phone? That's the question I want to pose to you, because a lot of people are talking about the weather this week and what's coming potentially on Friday. More on that in a moment. These weather apps are all over the place. This is information that comes from various websites. This is NOAA. This is the Canadian website. And I just want to give you one quick example. This is what they're calling for the end of January. Okay, NOAA says it's going to be warm in the southeast, but the Canadian model says it's going to be cold. Which is it going to be? I'm going to suppose to you that neither one of them can know this far out. Let me give you an example. You know, it snowed about a half an inch this past Sunday. I was following this. On Thursday of last week, according to AccuWeather, they weren't even calling for anything on Sunday. See, they got a sunshine there. Here's the Weather Channel. Last Thursday, this is what the Weather Channel was calling for. Again, just a partly cloudy deal going on. Now, on Saturday night, or actually Saturday afternoon, finally the Weather Channel ends up saying, yeah, we think something might happen. That's within literally about a 12-hour window of the event. Okay, we finally have that on Sunday, got a little bit of snow, people get excited. Sunday afternoon, I noticed that this showed up. You see that? They're saying that there's going to be snow. In fact, it says 1 to 3 inches, 90% on Friday. Now watch how this thing expands. This was yesterday on Monday. They're saying, now the Weather Channel is saying 100% chance of snow, 5 to 8 inches. Folks, I'm telling you, you can't believe these models this far out. Here's what AccuWeather said yesterday. On Monday, AccuWeather said, hey, some snow. But then you've got some of these models printing out are saying we could get a foot of snow on Friday. The GFS is the United States model, and they're actually showing some snow, and you can see that there in our area. But here's the thing. It doesn't matter if it's the Weather Channel. This is the Weather Channel saying this big storm is coming in. Folks, they don't know. They don't know literally until it gets within about 24 hours of the event. For instance, this storm that's coming in on Friday, it's not even made it off the Pacific yet. And so the models won't even begin to pick up data from the United States literally on our continent until sometime later tonight or Wednesday morning. So just take it all with a grain of salt. I say this regarding what Nahum says. The Bible says his way, God's way, is in the whirlwind and the storm, and the clouds are the dust of his feet. He rebukes the sea and makes it dry. He dries up all the rivers. The mountains quake before him. The hills melt. The earth heaves before him, the world and all who dwell in it. The Lord is good, a stronghold in the day of trouble. He knows those who take refuge in him. One thing we can take confidence in is God is in control. This has been Kevin Brown with your 2 Minute Tuesday.